Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to draw a ceiling hanging clothes rail. Alright, so as you can see from this picture, alright, so this is the hanging clothes rail which is hanging onto the ceiling. Alright, so we have a long stick, okay, and also the cap, alright, and also some hook. Okay, so let's get started. So firstly, come into our customization function and we can use the kitchen cabinet function. Alright, once we are in, I'm going to look for a superboard, or also known as a super plate. Alright, so I will drag one super plate out. Okay, so now I'm going to resize this super plate. Okay, so for my width, I'm going to put in 40. For my depth, I'm going to put in 40, and for my height, I'm going to turn it into 1500. Alright, so as you can see right now, I have a long rectangular wooden stick. Okay, so as you can see right now, it's rectangular, so I'm going to change it to a circle. Okay, a circular long wooden stick. Alright, so hold on to my B, click on B board selection mode, right click, panel point editing. So as you can see, these 4 edges is what we are going to change and edit. So click on the first one and then we select an outer fillet. Alright, so our radius will make it slightly lower. Alright, 30. Okay, so we are going to repeat for all 4 edges. Okay, same thing. We select outer fillet and we put our radius to 30. Okay, so as you can see, after completing all 4 sides, I save it and I return. Right now it turns into a circular long wooden stick. Right, so as we know, we have the stick and also the cap, which is connected onto the ceiling and one onto the wall. Right, so for the cap, we are going to drag another super plate out. Okay, so for now I'm going to resize this for my width. Okay, the cap width is 120, right, the depth is 120, and for my height I'm going to change it to 40. Alright, so as I zoom in closer, right now it turns into a square wooden like a wooden box. Okay, so I'm going to turn it into a circle. So same thing, board selection mode, and we are going to use the panel point editing function. Alright, so as you can see, it's a square wooden box. Okay, so I'm going to turn it into a circle. Same thing, outer fillet, and for our radius I'm going to make it 60. Alright, repeat for all 4 sides. Okay, outer fillet and 60 for our radius. Alright, once we're done, alright, we will see a circle. Okay, save it, return. Alright, so now I have my cap. Okay, I'm gonna put it over here, and then this one, my elevation, I'm gonna put 40. Okay, since I want it to be on top of my cap. So we can press on Z, okay, and then we will see all these arrows, and then we can adjust them according. Okay, so once we are done, okay, so I can actually copy. Okay, so copy one more out and then copy another one, and then we fix them together. Okay, so once we are done adjusting both of this, okay, we can hold on to our control and then group this up. Okay, favorite it. Alright, confirm, and then repeat another one. We're gonna group this, favorite it, and then confirm. Alright, so once we're done grouping them up, we can actually hold on to the shift okay, and select the entire thing and hold on to Z. Okay, so now we can rotate. Alright, so here I'm gonna put it 0, sticking onto my wall. Alright, and for the elevation 1500. Okay, so this one I'm going to twist it over 180 degrees and then push it right on top onto the ceiling. Okay, so now I can actually adjust them. Okay, so this one push it slightly higher a little bit, intersecting one another. Okay, this one might need to pull out a little bit more. Okay. Alright. Okay. So I have my cloth rails done. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I can actually change the material if I want to. Okay, I'm gonna change it to black. Okay, so I can right click. Okay, want to be right click, and then I'm going to click on format painter and paint. Okay, paint on both of these as well. Alright, so after done changing the materials, alright, so I've actually uploaded this model. It's a hook. Okay, and I save it onto my favorites. So as you can see, I just drag it out and place it onto underneath my. Okay, if you can't really see properly, we can always go on to Control 3. Okay, Control 3 is where we can use the black and white mode. Okay, so for us to see. Okay. Alright, so now let's go back. Alright, and there you have it. Okay, so this is how to draw a ceiling hanging clothes rail. Good luck trying, guys.